So we are here in Fort Lauderdale, and we are going to, because that's where our cruise port. We are going to Harmony of the Seas. We will be going to Aruba, Labadee, Haiti, and Curacao. So we're gonna have fun. Yes. Welcome to Harmony of the Sea. First meal or snack, pizza from Sorrento. So let's eat first and let's wander around. This is what I got. We just got checked in and it's 2 p.m. Two of our luggages is here. We are staying on the deck 10 here in Harmony of the Seas, and we are in front of Boardwalk. So let's go ahead and I tour you guys around. So when you enter the room, this is what it looks like. So we got our bed. This is a nice size bed. You know, we give this to you. This is our room, and let's check the restroom. This one over here. Very nice. You know, it's a standard Royal Caribbean restrooms. So hello. Yes, here we got trash bins, you know, sink. I already forgot what this place looks like. A shower over here. Yes, and here we have, so here is our closet. You got your safe. Yeah, I have more compartments here, more storage right here, cabinets. Nice. Our bed looks very comfy and nice. And let's see, oh, and more storage. Oh, nice. Yes, so we can hang our dresses and clothes. Nice. And here we got this mirror. Hello, mirror. We need mirror over here, and their desk. We have TV. You know, we have more of outlets here, and over here, this is their pull-out couch. Actually, this room is not bad. It's pretty good. And over here, more storage. Nice. We have tissue. Nice. We have safe. Another, oh no, this is refrigerator. We have refrigerator. Yeah. Cute. And now let's go ahead and let's check out in the front what they have over there. This is our balcony area, and this is our view, you guys. Yeah. Harmony of the Sea. That's the Aqua Theater right there. That's the carousel. Yeah. You guys know that over there, that's a zip line. Yes. And we have 2 chairs here. And that's for our room tour, you guys. It is really nice. It's very spacious. When we booked this cruise, we don't know our room yet, so I think we got lucky that we get this room. That's for our room tour, you guys. It's really nice. Once we get on the plane, we got Sorrento's pizza. Gotta have it. And we're gonna go ahead and unpack our suitcase. We're still missing 1 suitcase, and I hope it's gonna make it in time. But good thing though, I had packed a extra clothes, because you know, this kind of things you can expect, like, you know, they might deliver your luggage late, so I have extra clothes in me in case, so I don't really worry about that. So let me go ahead and pack our stuff, and we'll see what's next. Hi everybody, good evening. We are on our way to our dinner, and it is a casual night tonight, and yeah, we are just gonna go ahead and get our dinner, and after that we are going to watch a Aqua Show, which is going to be fun. We're gonna go in the main dining, so we'll see what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. So yes, I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, and we are back to our room, and it was a great night. We went to main dining room, We have a Filipino server, which is amazing. And I had escargot, I had shrimp. Food is really good. Dustin has the steak. It was really fun tonight. In our first day here at the cruise, we went to a fine line Aqua Show. It was so good, it was so great. Oh my god, I was very impressed. I'm gonna put here some video clips that I took. It was a great day, you guys. We got our luggage. Everything is great. So yeah, it was a fun day. So tomorrow I'll be showing you guys around because it's still a sea day, but I want to tour you guys around, and I'm going to the gym, check out the gym what they have. And by the way, I got a refreshment package, so I had a non-alcoholic beverages. I don't want to drink on this trip. I had a mojito and Dustin has a mojito. I had a great virgin pina colada. That was so good. I'm gonna go ahead and sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So deck 6. Good morning, guys. I'm on my way to the gym at deck 6. So let's go. Is a shopping desk, important shopping desk. I avoid that. I avoid this desk. Solera. This is like mini Sephora. Oh, this is Sephora collection. We're gonna go there later. You guys, this is a karaoke area on air. I'm gonna go there to sing my heart out. This is the piano bar. Okay. I'm lost, you guys. So I just go ahead and film. You see, this is the wrong way. Okay. This is my this is my day 2, and I haven't figured out this place yet. This boat is so huge, so that's why I'm taking you guys along with me. And let's get lost together. Sure. My god, let's go farther. It's all the way there. I cannot found it. Ooh. Let's go inside. That's a spa. Nail salon. This is my first time here. I'm gonna get me a drink. Today, and I just got back from the gym, and as you can see, I was walking around 6:30 earlier, and it's a pretty empty, which is pretty good, and it's not much people walking around. So if you film or if you vlogger, I don't know, whatever you do, the best time to really film is early, because we are not having this camera in people's faces. You know, we respect their face. It was a great workout. It's a pretty decent size of a gym. And you guys, I got a smoothie. So I asked if I can have a Powerade, and they only said it's a minimum of one. The attendant told me I can come back around maybe 5 or 10 minutes and get another one. But anyways, that was great. Today we're just chilling. We're just hanging out. We're just, you know, go with the flow, and we have shows tonight to go as well. And it's formal night, you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys again later or whatever.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you.
Nana, you should do the zip line.
Yeah, let's do it.
I don't think you can do it in open zippers.
Really? That's a zip line. Nice.
Nana, that's easy peasy.
Easy peasy, easy breezy. Ooh, the sun. Basketball court.
So where's y'all's room?
Like your ice cream friend? So good. So good. We're just exploring, walking around.
We had a little too much to eat, so we're trying to burn off the calories.
And by that, we need to walk around.
For the next one.
Yes, ice cream.
Losing track of time, losing track of myself.
Hi guys, we are here at Central Park in Harmony of the Seas. Breeze, it feels really good. Here is a Chops Grill, which is a specialty steakhouse, which is, we're not getting that because it's expensive. It's pretty pricey here, so a real plan. Specialty restaurant. We're not going there because it's expensive. Ooh, I like over there. Over there. Eleanor! Come on, friend. Hello, friends. Oh, this is nice.
I think, remember, Janet, you took a picture of me from this one.
Yes. Oh, we need to come back tonight.
Yeah.
Oh my God, babe, this is my favorite plant. Look at this thing.
Ivy?
No,
This ivy.
it's a golden poros.
Oh.
That's a Jamie's Italian restaurant. It's a specialty restaurant.
No one can save us from keeping clean. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. 'Cause there is
Mr. Rock, are you hungry?
thing on my mind.
This is the park cafe. You can create your salad over here.
I just wanna see you on
like
my
rock.
new grave. Hey, hey,
Condition.
I just wanna see you on my new grave. Before
And we are hungry again, ladies and gentlemen.
and walk away.
Central Park.
I just wanna see you on my new grave. I can feel my
Hi guys, so tonight is formalized, so I'm wearing my velvet dress and we'll see what we have for dinner for tonight. So let's go and get out of here. We are back in our room and it's always good to see people wearing nice dress, you know, looking good. So because tonight was a formal night, it was great to see everybody's having fun, you know, enjoying the moment, which is great. So our dinner was okay. I got a lamb chop, which is, I would say, it's a little bit gooey and dry, but our server is nice to replace us new food. So today we did explore I think deck 15. We just walk around, you know. It was a great night. It was a fun night. So tomorrow we will be in Labadee, Haiti. So I'm gonna end up my vlog here, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Might as well be ready here, and let's be friends, guys. Why not? And I'll see you again, you guys, in my next video. Bye bye.
I just wanna dance.